Hey, pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Hey, pump it up. Got to pump it up.
Is that how you sing these days, Max Keiser?
Got to pump it up. Yeah, if this were a John Waters film like Pink Flamingos, Peter Schiff would be playing the role of Divine. And there's a famous scene where Divine is eating dog poop as it's coming out of the dog, right? And there's Divine eating this dog poop. And so it's public humiliation as a job, as a profession. He gets publicly humiliated. That's his job.
Yes.
He draws attention to his failing gold business. And the only way he can draw attention to it, because it's a failing gold business, is to publicly humiliate himself and prostrate himself before all these geniuses and billionaires who are making huge gap on Bitcoin, and just allow himself to be humiliated in public, and that's his job. No, I think it's like a sadomasochistic situation where he's the permissive, right? He's the guy who gets the shit stick, the end of the shit stick.
Get out of the car, wise guy. What do we do?
Sometimes a bowler just has to face the music. Come on, there, now let's go. And that bowler is you, Roy.
And he seems to enjoy it. So, I mean, I'm not going to judge, because some people really thrive on that type of thing. But it has nothing to do with Bitcoin's rocket to $1 million a coin. If you want to be on that rocket, you need to say goodbye to the S&M crowd on planet Earth who likes to be humiliated in public and watch as others watch them consume dog poop. It's not really a healthy situation, in my view, but I don't judge.
You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up.
Your cats are mine!
You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up.
We heard there's good reports. Lots of people told me the winds are really, really good in Himalayas. We're hearing all sorts of things. They've got the capital, but that's fine. They don't have Himalayas.
Can you grab me too?